Hello, hello, hello. What is that? Traje. Hi guys. It's been a minute since I updated everyone on my DNA journey. I don't want you guys to think that it just stalled or stopped or I don't care anymore. I'm still very excited. A lot has happened internally, family wise, like in terms of things that we discovered or talked about. Well, that I discovered. Seems like some people knew already. And I think I might do like another short post with some of the stories that I learned about my family. Some really intriguing stuff, like really, really cool stuff. Um, but yeah, just a quick update on the DNA sample itself. So a few days, well, I guess more than a few days ago by now. Let's see, about a week ago. About a week ago, yeah, sorry. I got a email that my DNA sample had been received by the lab in, where did we send the lab, the thing to again? Was it Texas? Texas. Yeah, because everything's bigger in Texas. Yes, I remember kind of having that exchange with myself. So basically, what it means, so they have a breakdown of what that means. Like, of you can track your kit. Yeah. You could track your kit through the process. So like they have order placed. Actually, I placed the order tomorrow. Will be a month ago since I started the process. I placed the order on the 19th. The kit was shipped on the 20th, and I activated the kit on the 22nd. So all of that happened pretty quickly. I think I shipped it on the 23rd, but they received it on the 11th. I think probably because of corona and all that stuff. So they give you a step by step. So sample received at lab. So it says that your DNA sample has been received at our CLIA certified laboratory in the USA. When samples arrive at our lab, we verify that they are readable and that all necessary components are in place. So that gave me a bit of anxiety because I was like, oh no, what if I didn't do it right? Even though, if we all remember, I scraped the inside of both of my cheeks really bad, like to the point where one was hurting like days after. Not my best moment. So I logged on today and I realized that on the 13th they move it down the line to DNA extraction in progress. And what they say for that is your DNA sample is a collection of your cells, and your DNA is tucked away into the nucleus of each of these cells. In order to analyze the DNA molecule, we first need to extract it from the cells contained in your sample. We begin the extraction process by transferring your sample onto a deep well plate containing a total of 96 samples. We inject the samples with a special substance that eats away at any contaminants, corona, on the sample, leaving it clean and ready for extraction. Finally, our extraction robot separates the DNA from any other materials in the sample. So, oh yeah, if both vials of your DNA sample are readable, we will now store one in our robotic freezer, guys, in case it's needed later. Now, mind you, there's a picture, right? So you think when you finish read the text above, that's it, you can move on. But I scroll down and that's when it says, yeah, if both vials of your DNA samples are readable, we will now store one in our robotic freezer in case it's needed later. My brain just went straight to Black Mirror and all those robots like that store all the little memory bank things. So like now I'm a part of the matrix, and while the other will continue to the next step of the lab process. So there we go, guys. I have done it. Like, I cannot commit any crimes, definitely in the continental USA, because they got my DNA, and that'll be it for me. I'm pretty much caught. So it's a good incentive to stay out of trouble. The next step is the microarray process in progress. I can't actually click that yet, but when I'm able to, I will update you guys again because I have no idea what that means. I mean, I watch a lot of CSI, so I kind of maybe have a small idea. Who knows? But I figured that has something to do with the robots and all this stuff. And then after that, the raw data is produced, and then after that, the results are available. So I would say we're more than halfway through the process, which of course doesn't give any indication of time. Um, but I did see, yeah, that they had an estimate time for online results is between June 1st and June 8th. So that is literally 2 weeks from now. So, I mean, it's pretty exciting, that I could be getting my results as soon as 2 weeks from now. Um, so yeah, that's about it. I don't have much else to say. Like I said, I'll probably do like mini, like my videos are already pretty mini, but like 2 3 minute videos about some fun family stories that I found out. Mostly from my mom's side because it's a bit of trouble finding out some information from my dad's side. I have not given up. I definitely want to try and find as much information as possible from my dad's side because I want to know. I want to know it all. Tell me all. I want to know all the deets. Um, but yeah, I'm not discouraged. Even if I'm not able to find out more in-depth stories about that side of my family, I'm actually just grateful that I have stories at all because I acknowledge that there's some people that just have no idea who they are or where they come from. So half the puzzle is better than none of the puzzle, yeah. So until next time, yeah, I'll see you guys sometime in the future.